So I just canceled my subscription for ChatGPT because I found a tool that for video creators blows it away. It's called MagicPost, and it is by far the best AI tool that I have tested so far. And at this point, I actually use it every single day and recommend it to every one of my clients. Now, yes, of course, you know that MagicPost is obviously paying me to make this video, but everything that I tell you is true. Your boy's not a sellout. I wouldn't promote any products that I don't believe in. And just to prove that to you, I am going to show you a clip from a recent client workshop that I ran. So watch this. I'm going to take Aruna, and here's her April content, right? So I could take one of Aruna's videos. If I open up her video here, it's going to give me a transcript of her video right here on the right inside of Dropbox. I'm going to copy that transcript. I'm going to go into MagicPost, and I'm going to ask MagicPost to write a post that is introspective and thought-provoking. And let's go. Let's see how it does, Aruna, all right? So I don't just help clients balance work and family. I help them lose the guilt. They come to me, heavy hearts and tired eyes, feeling like they're failing on both fronts. But here's the thing. It's not about the hours you clock at work or at home. It's about that gnawing guilt, that negative emotion that's eating you up. So what do? I get to the root of that guilt. I figure out where it's coming from, why it's there. Then I give them the tools to address it. And guess what? It's working. Clients feel happier, lighter, more balanced, because at the end of the day, it's not about splitting your time perfectly. It's about freeing yourself from the guilt that you're not doing enough. And once you do that, everything else falls into place. So if you're feeling the weight of your guilt, remember this: you're doing the best you can, and that's more than enough. Does that sound?
My God. Oh my God.
This particular post was because it was your video. I took your video and what you said on your video. This is why video content is amazing, because when you take your own video content and put it into AI, like the AI is capturing what you're actually saying.
Wow. That is so, I mean, that is the words I would use. Oh my goodness. So this is what
I just shocked Aruna right now. Look at her. Look at her. She had to pull over. She had to pull over. She can't even believe it. So as you can see from this video, I completely blew my client's mind. Not only because how easy the tool was, but the output that they got sounded just like the words she would use. You heard it from her yourself. And what I love most about MagicPost is that I don't have to feed it a million prompts. In fact, I don't even have to prompt it at all. I just choose the style and the tone that I want, and MagicPost writes me a dope first draft every single time. Then I just make a few edits and I'm done. So now I can write captions for my videos or write an entirely new post and do it in under 10 minutes, sometimes even under 5 minutes. But the video is the key. So come work with me, get a backlog of videos, and then go down into the description, check out the link for MagicPost, and get signed up. And I will see you on the next one.